Okay, I am going to lead you through how to navigate CTLS starting from the Lassiter website. So I am going to click CTLS student link, and it is going to take you to the login page. Once you log in, you will see your main screen that shows you all of your classes. So I am going to, if you are AP Biology, I am going to click on AP Biology, and it brings you to your home page. I see the class board where you have a welcome video as well as a welcome announcement. It has a link to your AP Biology syllabus as well as the syllabus acknowledgement form. You are going to find links to things in a lot of places so that you can access them from wherever it is you are. So if I click AP Biology syllabus, it will take me to the syllabus document so that I can see it. After I read the syllabus with my parent or guardian, I then need to complete the syllabus acknowledgement form. So if I click that hyperlink, it brings me to the syllabus form. So you will fill this out. Once you have everything filled out, you click submit, and then you have completed the syllabus acknowledgement form. Like we did in our live session today, we are going to look at our week 1. So if I click digital sessions and then click week 1, I will see everything that I need to do for Monday. So the first thing that you need to do is watch the welcome video, and that was on the class board. And then after that, I want to know a little bit about you. So you will click the Microsoft Forms student survey. This is a hyperlink. So if I click it, and it is due tonight, Monday, by 11:59, if I click the survey, I scroll down, I fill everything out, and then I click submit. I know that my student survey has been completed once I click submit. The next thing is the Digital Classroom Expectations Sway and Student Checklist. The student checklist is due Tuesday night by 11:59 p.m. This is what we looked at in our Microsoft Teams notebook. So if I go to Teams, you are going to find your class period. So if you're in first period biology or second period biology, and you would click on it. When you click on it, there will be a toolbar, and then it'll say class notebook. So you'll click class notebook. I prefer to work on this in the app. So if I go right here and click in the app, I prefer to open it in the app. So that's what I'm going to do. You don't have to have the app. So if you don't have computer space, it will look like this on your computer. But again, I like having it in the app. If you need help learning how to download that, let me know and I can help lead you through it. So I am on my notebook, and you will find under your name something that says student account information. This is the checklist that I was talking about. So you will follow through. If I scroll over, this is the checklist portion. So you will go through and you will follow along. So log into CTLS, open the digital session, and click on the Classroom Mechanics Sway. That sway, which we will look at in a minute, goes along with this checklist. So from it, you will be able to find the contact information. What is my email address? You would write it in or type it in, and you have completed that part of the checklist. The next portion, you'll type in each thing, check it off as you're going. And this is also where all of your login information is going to be stored. If you are doing this under your notebook, you are the only one who will have access to it, yourself and me. None of your classmates will have access to this if you're under your notebook. So make sure that you follow everything in the checklist. Now, in order to get to the sway, I am going to go back to CTLS and open the sway. So I just looked at the checklist. Now I'm going to click this hyperlink, and it's going to bring me to the presentation that goes along with that checklist. Okay, so I am following along on my checklist, and I am going through the sway. I'm clicking through, making sure I understand how to reach me, what's my email, what are the office hours, how do I get extra help. Do you know about your login information? So you're going to click through this presentation and you're going to follow along on that OneNote checklist. Remember how to write an email, how to contact your teacher. I'm not going to click through this whole presentation because that's something that you are supposed to do in order to fill out all of your information on that page. Okay, so the next thing is review the syllabus and complete the syllabus acknowledgement, and that's due by Friday. So we already saw that on our class board. It is also available here. So, like I said, you have access to a lot of different things. You also have access to this through your teams. The last thing that we're going to look at is we need to turn in our Survival of the Sickest reading guide. I know that it's due tonight, Monday, August 18th at 11:59 p.m. in CTLS. So, in order to turn something in at CTLS, there are two ways that you can get to it. You can go up here and click on Lesson Assignments, so I'm going to click there, and you can see everything related to the Week 1 lesson assignments that will be due. I find the Survival of the Sickest reading guide, and I click on it. I find the instructions and information as well as the document if I need to download the document to complete, but I am ready to submit my Survival of the Sickest guide. So I am going to click Add Attachment, and then this pop-up window is going to show up. I'll click File. I'll go through my files. I will find which file it is that I want to submit. I will click it, click Open. Then I will see it right here. Please make sure that it is titled something that I know what it is. This is very clearly titled, Summer Assignment, Survival of the Sickest Reading Guide. I'm going to click Save and Upload. I can see that file was uploaded successfully and I see it right down here. Now I'm ready to submit my work, so I'll click Submit Response. Once I click that, my response was submitted successfully. So I see right here I submitted the correct file. If I want to see if I want to make sure that this was submitted, if I go to the lesson assignment page, I see that it says ready to score and I can see my document. I hope that that helped. If you still have questions, please send me a remind. I will do my best to reply back to you between 8 and 3 o'clock on the weekdays, or send me an email. I will do my best to help you. You can also, very last thing, then I'll be done. If you have a question, you can also just post it in Teams. So your classmates can help you if you have a question and they see it before I see it. They're able to say, if you say, I need help with accessing CTLS, how to submit an assignment, your classmate can reply to that and say, oh, this is how you do it. So there are multiple ways that you can view things. There are multiple ways that you can ask questions. It's whatever you prefer. Send me a remind, send me an email, post a question in Teams. Just remember that you are still in school and you need to act with respect towards others, and remember that you need to maintain your digital etiquette. I hope this video helped.